Ayan, namimili ako dito sa Trader's Joe. Mili ako ng watermelon, mixed cruciferous veggies, bell pepper, red onion, Greek salad, and my alkaline and what you call it? Alkaline and eto, alkaline water electrolytes. And then bibili ako ng bread na sourdough at saka banana. And what else? Peanut butter. Unsalted peanut butter. Sarap bumili ng salmon. Kaso kakakain ko lang ng fish kanina sa Japantown. Nung kumain ako ng lunch. Ito na yung mga bread. There's the bread. Ito na yung saging. Tignan nyo, nandito ako ngayon sa Trader's Joe. Look what I found. Black garlic. Ground fermented black garlic. Oh. Ang ingredients niya is dried ground black garlic. That's it. So, it's good. Walang salt, walang additives, kung ano-ano pa. At itim na bawang. I've heard about this. And this is the first time I saw this on the market around here in my neighborhood. Say used like garlic, delicious on avocado toast and butter and sauces on vegetable and proteins or for anytime you want extra depth of flavor. Wow, so toast bread tapos avocado and then just drizzle this on top of the avocado toast or on your food. Nice. And I've heard what you call this, the benefits of black garlic, and this is from product of South Africa. There you go. Nice. Ang laki ng chocolate, oh. Dark chocolate, 72% cacao dark chocolate bar, and it's 17.6 ounce for $6.99. Iba-ibang flavor nila. Ito with almonds, dark chocolate also, tas milk chocolate, kung ano-ano pang flavor. Ayun, tagal kong uubusin to kasi kumakain ako ng dark chocolate for the darker the better yung chocolate. Dapat walang sugar, no added sugar. Ayun, ito meron siya, may 7 grams ng total sugar and then includes yung sa 7 grams may added sugar kaya naging 14%. Yung binibili ko talaga as in no added sugar, tapos bitter talaga siya. Kaso nagpunta ako sa store na yun, they're all out of it. Kaya nung nakita ko to, since it's 72% cacao dark chocolate, akala ko katulad din nung isa, ibang brand lang. Ay, from Belgium siya. Ayun, Belgium. Maganda sana yung product pero ang laki nung sugar content. So no, hindi pwede. Itong mga chocolate na to, dati 2.99 each, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos ngayon bibili ka ng dalawa for 4.29 para makakuha ka ng isang libre. Nakakuha ba ng buo?
Oh, yes!
Alright. Thank you for watching this short vlog. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. So watch out for that. Have a nice day now, and take care, and God bless to us all.